Hello everyone, today talking about the leadership dynamics to improve teamwork. Teamwork dynamics contribute to improving the work environment and increasing trust among employees. All this translates into higher productivity and job satisfaction. The importance of teamwork is teamwork ensures higher levels of productivity as it optimizes times considerably and allows each professional to deal with the aspects of the project in which he or she is more proficient. If the, if the group is cohesive, cooperation will take place without misgivings or internal tensions. Greater internal coordination. Group dynamics foster work habits that facilitate coordination within the same team or department. Promotion of the professional qualities is each employee has specific skills that can be developed by colleagues through teamwork. Overcoming difficulties. All the members of the group are responsible for its success or failure, working together to overcome any setbacks and get the project back on track. Reduces stress levels and healthy competition. Group dynamics teaches burden sharing among members while encouraging healthy competition among them. It's not so much about who works harder, but about how they can be more useful. The desert island is as a teamwork dynamic, another group dynamic, as forces workers cooperate in a very difficult situation to speed up decision making and learn to produce it. This time, the team imagines that they are going to participate in survival tests on a desert island and can only take 5 items at the least of the team. Maybe the numbers may vary depending on how the activity is set up. The list of the objects may include its food, drink, hunting, and or defense gear, tools, certain goods. The team must reach an agreement on which 5 objects are most useful for this adventure. Beyond the search of consensus, the dynamic of make it possible to evaluate judgment and employees. Thank you.